To use Zelle with US Bank, start by ensuring you have a US Bank account and the US Bank mobile app. Open the app and log in to your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the menu and select Send Money with Zelle. If you have not already enrolled in Zelle, you will be prompted to do so. To enroll, enter your email address or mobile phone number and create a new password. You will receive a verification code. Enter this code to complete the enrollment process. After enrolling, you can send money to friends, family, or people you trust to send money. Select Send Money with Zelle and enter the recipient's email address or mobile phone number. Choose the account you want to use to send the money from. Enter the amount you want to send, and add a memo if desired. Review the transaction details and select Send. To receive money, ensure the sender has your correct email address or mobile phone number associated with your Zelle profile. Once the sender initiates the transfer, you will receive a notification and the money will be deposited into your US Bank account. To use Zelle effectively, keep your contact information up to date. Only send money to people you trust, and verify the recipient's information before sending. Additionally, be aware of any transaction limits and fees associated with using Zelle. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily use Zelle with US Bank to send and receive money quickly and securely. If you have any issues or questions, you can contact US Bank customer support for assistance.